A Rooney Library tutorial. How to find theses and dissertations. To find the databases, go to the library homepage. Scroll down and click Databases. You may need to log in with your SMWC credentials to proceed. From the All Database Types drop-down menu, select Theses and Dissertations. We have many theses and dissertations databases. More may be added in time. Some databases are free or open access. Some are licensed. This symbol means open access. Anyone can access or use it. These two databases are from the same company. One is open access and the other is licensed. Only current students can access it. The licensed version has everything from the open access database plus tens of thousands more. Here is the Woods Scholars Database. It is our institution's repository. You will find our theses here. There is another tutorial on using the Woods Scholars Database. For this example, I am selecting this database, possibly the world's largest collections of theses and dissertations. Search page. Scrolling reveals filters and limiters for searching. You can limit by degree type or by language. You can search by advisor or reader, university, or keywords. There are even helps for figuring these things out. Search by author, title, subject, or keyword in the search boxes. Enter terms in the boxes, put phrases in quotation marks, then click Search. This is the results page. You can email this list, put it in a folder if you have set up a profile, and other things on the right-hand side. The number of results are listed on the left. Below that are filters and limiters. Use the limiters to set the date range of degree granted. Scroll down to use the other filters. Some of the filters are subject, language, university, and location. Click the title of the desired thesis or dissertation. This is the item page. You can view the document on this page. You can download the document from the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, you can download, order a print copy, cite the document, email a copy to yourself, print it, or save it in a folder, again, if you have a profile set up. More tutorials are available on our YouTube channel. Just search for Rooney Library.